Welcome back, Crammers. Question 12. Simplify 2 divided by y to the power of 0, no matter what value it is. To the power of 0 will always equal 1, so this is simply 2 divided by 1. Simplify fully. 16a to the power of 4 to the power of 3 over 4. So we can actually bring the power into the bracket, and when having a power inside the bracket, we simply multiply it with the power outside the bracket. So we have here 16 to the power of 1 times 3 over 4 times 3 over 4, and we have a to the power of 4 times 3 over 4. We can simplify this. We have 16 to the power of 3 over 4, and we have a to the power of, this cancels out, so a to the power of 3. Now we can find what 16 is. 16 to the power of 3 divided by 4 gives us 8. So we simply write 8a cubed. Expand and simplify. Okay, here we're going to be using FOIL method. F for first, O for outside, I for inside, L for last. But first we have to simplify this. So 5x times 3x is 15x squared, and 5x times 4 is 20x. Now that we have this, we can multiply it with the second polynomial. We do the first ones, which is 15x squared times 2x is simply 30x cubed outside. So we do plus 15x squared times negative 1. That is negative 15x squared inside. 20x times 2x is plus 40x squared. And last is 20x times negative 1 is negative 20x. Always make sure to combine like terms. So here we have 30x squared plus 25. This is 30x cubed plus 25x squared minus 20x. And we simply write here 30x cubed plus 25x squared minus 20x. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.